Hello and welcome back to InkLingo. I'm Alex, and today we have a fun little French story for you called The Chien qui Aboyait vers le Grenier Vide, or The Dog Who Barked at the Empty Attic. This story is perfect for A0 beginners, so don't worry if you're just starting out. In the InkLingo app, you can tap any word to translate it instantly, save new vocabulary, and track your progress. Before we begin, let's warm up with a few key words. Vide means empty. Aboie means barks. Soudain means suddenly. Le grenier means the attic. And un bruit means a noise. In our story, a dog named Max keeps barking at an empty attic, and everyone wants to know why. Let's find out together, in French.
Max est le chien de Léa. Il regarde le grenier. Il aboie très fort. Mais le grenier est vide. Léa regarde le chien. Max aboie. Encore et encore. Pourquoi, Max? Dit Léa. Le chien regarde le grenier. Léa est surprise. Léa monte au grenier. Le grenier est noir et vide. C'est vide, dit Léa. Max aboie encore. Papa arrive au grenier aussi. Papa regarde partout. Le grenier est vide, dit papa. Max aboie fort, très fort. Papa est surpris. Soudain, il y a un bruit. Un petit bruit dans le grenier. Léa écoute. Papa écoute. Un petit chat sort du grenier. Le chat est orange et petit. Max regarde le chat. Max est calme maintenant. C'est un chat, dit Léa. Léa rit beaucoup. Papa rit aussi. Le chat regarde Max. Max est content.
And there we have it. Max was barking because a little cat was hiding in the attic all along. In the end, everyone had a good laugh, and Max made a new furry friend. If you want to read more stories with tap to translate, word saving, karaoke highlighting, progression tracking, and many more features, check out the InkLingo app. You can also read hundreds of stories for free on the website at inklingo.app.